Grammy, almost done. One leg. Where's your other leg? Give me your other leg. Oh, oh. Oh no. Oh, gee. This is not good. Get over here. Come on. Come over here. I can't put your pants on like that. Peekaboo. How am I supposed to get her pants on? Oh, forgot. Now I don't know what's the front and what's the back. What? Okay. Gotcha. Gotcha, spaghetti-o. Oh, no. Please. Oh, I can't do it. I can't do it, honey. I don't want to give up. No. Come over here. Isabella Gemma. Can I have that? Oh, I am so tired. Oh, good. Hope it stays with you now. At least I have a foot in. Okay, I'll go with it like this, she says. Oh, I'm so tired, honey.